Morning everybody, today is Friday, one of the hottest days in the year that it's going to be again. So down here nice and early on the allotment, about 7:30. So the first job today is going to be to water all the plot, as getting it watered early is the key to success. The slugs come out at night, so it's ideal to water in the morning when the slugs aren't around as much. So that's the first job for today, and then we're going to be on with sorting out my new area. So let's see what we're doing today. So I've got all my plot watered, that's the hardest bit. It takes about 40 minutes to water all my plot. It's massive. Obviously I've got all my tomato plants, my melon plants, and all the outdoor plants need watering, so it's quite a big job. So once I get that done and out of the way, I can crack on with all my work. So let's see what we're doing on the plot today. So today I'm carrying on with my new area. As you can see, that's my new path that I've laid down at the top of my plot, and it goes all the way up to the top of where it is, and then I've marked off with wire the area that I'm clearing next, as that's where the path is going to go all the way to the other side. So my plan is to get as much as that cleared today and get it hopefully finished over the weekend, this bit. So that's my weekend project from today. So let's see how much we crack on and get cleared today. So stay tuned and see how we get on. For my plot, I found this stone wall what was hidden underneath the soil. So I plan, hopefully, to go all along the top of my plot. Fingers crossed, it carries on all the way along. But we'll have to see as we get digging. So let's check it out. I've started clearing it, and it doesn't look like the wall goes all the way down. It stops. But what I have found is there is a path underneath the soil. So who knows how far this goes. And it's in the right place where I want my path. So we'll see how we get on with clearing it. So I'm really pleased about that. Concrete path underneath the soil. So out comes the soil and see where we go to. I'm loving this, it's like exploring. So yeah, let's get cracking. So I found where it ends, which is there at the end, but then I found these bricks hidden underneath the soil which continue from this wall. So I'm thinking that somebody's made like a curve around the tree. So it's a case of clearing it, the soil, and seeing what's underneath it. It's certainly interesting, and that's what I'm finding, how deep it was under the soil, and it's still all intact near enough. So yeah, it's all interesting stuff. Keep tuned for how we get on. So that's me done for today. As you can see, I've got about halfway down for where my path needs to go. It's taken a lot longer than I thought, as obviously I found this stone underneath, so I wanted to make sure I found that, and the edging stone that goes down the edge, obviously, and the bricks which I've unearthed there, so they'll need to go back in to fit position. I'm guessing they go around the tree, so we'll see how far they go back next time I'm down here. So fingers crossed, by the end of Saturday I should be at the end. That's my plan for tomorrow, to get to the end, and then Sunday start clearing all this back bit, which will take a long time, I'm guessing, because who knows what I'll unearth under all that lot. So yeah, certainly a project and a half, and I'll show you what I've found while I've been digging. I found this old tool. I've no idea what it is, whether it's to chip the stones, but yeah, it's certainly heavy. So if anybody knows what it is, let me know in the comments. It'll be interesting to find out what it is. But yeah, it looks like some sort of tool what you hit on to cut the stone. But yeah, whether it'll be worth absolute thousands, who knows? Let me know in the comments. And also, I've dug up a bottle, but no idea if it's of any value or not. I can't seem to see. And I've also dug up a bottle. I can't see any writing on it, so who knows what it is, whether it's worth anything. If anybody knows anything about bottles, let me know in the comments below. So thanks for watching, everybody. Remember to come back tomorrow where I'll be down on the allotment filming my vlog and also doing my Facebook live as well. If you don't follow me on Facebook, find the Yorkshire Gardeners and I'll be on there where you can follow everything that I do. I hope you all have a good day, and remember, keep gardening.